Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I am going to tell you about the health benefits of poppy seeds, and also I will be showing you a tasty, healthy and no oil, no ghee and no refined sugar drink made with this poppy seeds. So guys, stay tuned till the end. Poppy seeds are beneficial for heart as these are good source of healthy fatty acids, magnesium and potassium. These poppy seeds contain high amount of dietary fiber and manganese helps to prevent and treat diabetes. Poppy seeds are rich in calcium, copper and iron which enhances the brain function when consumed regularly. Poppy seeds being the powerhouse of calcium, manganese, copper and phosphorus, these strengthen bones. They also boost immunity as they are loaded with zinc. As they contain huge amount of dietary fibers and that promote digestive health. Most important benefit of these poppy seeds is that they can reduce the stress level by calming your body that induces sound sleep. Alright, knowing all these benefits of poppy seeds, let me quickly show you a healthy, tasty and easy recipe made with these poppy seeds. To make this healthy, no oil, no ghee and no refined sugar added drink, here are the ingredients required. Here I have taken 1.5 tablespoon of poppy seeds and 1.5 tablespoon of rice. Rice and poppy seeds have to be soaked for at least minimum 1 hour. I have also taken half cup of fresh grated coconut and jaggery as per your taste, water, milk and few cardamoms. So now let's quickly get into the recipe. To my chutney jar, I am adding in the soaked rice, next I am adding in the soaked poppy seeds. Into the same chutney jar, I am even adding fresh grated coconut. Lastly, I am going to add these cardamoms. Guys, don't skip adding these cardamoms. These cardamom gives an amazing flavor to the drink. They also helps to speed up digestion. It helps to reduce the inflammation of the stomach lining and helps to fight heartburn and nausea. Problems like acidity or even an upset stomach can be controlled by consuming this little spice. So guys, don't miss to add cardamom as it also gives an amazing flavor to the drink. Now grind all those ingredients to a fine coarse paste. Now into a kadai I am adding in water and transferring the finely coarse ground paste. I am just rinsing out my chutney jar, adding in little more water to the paste. Now turn on the flame and boil till the entire mixture loses its raw smell. After few minutes, if it starts thickening, you can add little more water to the same mixture. Make sure you keep stirring and it doesn't stick to the bottom. Poppy seeds are rich source of iron which helps to prevent and treat iron deficiency and thus helps in managing anemia. Poppy seeds contain good amount of potassium that helps to treat kidney stones and also prevent reoccurrence of kidney stones. As poppy seeds are powerhouse of good carbohydrates, It boosts energy level. This drink is best for lactating moms. After a few minutes, once it starts bubbling out and also loses its raw smell, it's time for you to add in the jaggery. You can adjust the sweetness of the drink as per your taste. Give it a nice mix. Let the entire jaggery melt into the drink. Boil for another 2 to 3 minutes. Now the drink is almost ready. Now it's time for me to turn off the flame. Guys, I usually like to take this drink when it is warm. So I will allow this drink to rest for 5 to 10 minutes. Then I will transfer it into a serving glass. To the same serving glass, add in milk. And now the drink is ready to be served. Friends, try this recipe and let me know how it turned out. Thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to like my video and subscribe to my channel. Until next time, take care. Bye bye.